All right, so it's going to be a very short video, so you can rush now and start doing your activation. Now, this is the first thing you need to do. I'm so excited about Boldgains International because everyone that is joining this business already have testimonies. The products are cool, the website, the interface, the branding, the color, they just got it right. All right, so let's quickly walk through how you can leverage on this. Now, this account, this is one of my accounts, okay? So I'm going to use it as an example. Now, let's quickly look at what is happening here. Now, if you want to register a new account, the first thing you need to do is to fund your wallet. Now, after your wallet is funded, you have the required dollars for the account. Of course, you know how to get your wallet funded. Well, if you still don't know how to get your wallet funded, you can contact me and I'll do that for you. All right, so we proceed. Now, you fund your wallet with the package the person want to sign up with. All right, so let's say that somebody's coming in with a gold package that is $120. You just have to do it the proper way. Let's say somebody's coming with a discovery, which is $30. Then you just have to do the best way you can. Now, this is it. You go to register now. This box, register new member. You click on it. Now, on this dashboard, you have options. You can change the sponsor ID. All right. Now, most people make mistakes. Maybe you have a lot of registrations to do and you're like, who should sponsor this account? We are not encouraging people to be lazy, so you can actually use your username to sponsor and place the person under your team member. All right, so sponsor ID is the person that should earn the commission from sponsoring the new account. All right, so once you click your sponsor name, you will see the full name is verified here. Don't make a mistake of using another name when you're not sure, so always verify the name you'll be using, the username also. Now, for this placement, you can just check through your team member and see where you should place it. That will help you to earn binary. Now, how do you know where to earn binary? Go back to your dashboard. This is your left leg, right? And this is your right leg. So if you look at your left leg, your right leg, you know that this is your weak leg for today. That any binary or registration you do on this left leg is going to give you results. So you quickly place the account on this left leg, not the right leg. The right leg is already, high. All right. So that being said, let's still go back to where we're coming from. Register new member. So here you quickly click on the placement. Okay, let's use this account for example. All right, so this is where I want to place it, for instance. So verify. You see the name is here. So I could say view network. Now from here, I could see the network of this person. This person, oh, if I place an account here, it will end binary. Of course, that's what I want to do because it's a known account. So I could just put the account here. So this chart helps you to do proper placement so you don't do mistakes. It's a 2x2 force matrix and you have to go deep down to check your team where it will favor them and it will also favor you. So right now, I know that if I place it here, it's going to favor this account here. So I go back and then I select left, okay, and I click on next. All right, now if I made the wrong selection, it's going to bounce back. All right, so since I'm correct, it's continue. Choose your country. Wherever you're from, just choose your country. Any country you choose, you see your map. You see your flag, color of your country right here. Okay, so I'm using Nigeria. So you can see that if I'm using New Zealand, okay, Nicaragua, you see everything is cool. The website is user friendly. All right, so you can confirm there. Okay, so Nigeria, and then I click on next. Now, once I click on next, I'll come to where I choose my stock is. Where am I getting my product from? So we are all using Dubai distribution center right now. Of course, the business is new and everybody's buying from Dubai. But once we are fully stabilized, we're going to have a stocking center in Lagos, stocking center in different states and across Africa and across the world. So you can actually choose the stocking center nearest to you. All right, so right now we're using Dubai. So we click on next. Now, the next page that comes up is the page where you can, enter the details that is required of you. That's step 4. All right. Our network is a bit slow. Okay, now this is the details. What you need to do here is to create the username for that person. Okay, so I'm gonna use a reachable. All right, then individual, select. Now some of these things are the simple information you already have. Okay, Rita James. Okay, so I already got this identification number. Now, this identification number, if you're a student, if you have ID card, if you have driver's license, passport, you can just enter them right here. Okay. All right, nationality, you select gender, female. Email address, you just have to enter the email address, okay, for that account. Date of birth, you enter, and then phone number, you select the country, and then you type in the number, okay. So it's quite simple. It's just the placement that is actually what you need to understand. Okay, so from here now, you come to the address. You fixed in the address. Let me just use this. Okay, now select states. Okay, Adamawa, and then city. Alimosho. I could just use any. I'm just using any address. All right, but for your own case, you just have to be careful because the product is coming to you. I already own an office where I get my product, so I know what to do about that. So for you, wherever you're watching this video from, make sure you enter the correct address. This is just a training. Don't try this. All right, so for the shipping address, I could use the same address. So I'll click on my correspondence, and shipping is the same. So automatically this information here. So I'm going to get my product from here. Now remember what I said. Since you're going to be having stocking center, you can pick your product at your own location. So click on next. All right. Now here we'll select our product. Step 5. If you're choosing gold, you select the products here. You choose the product. If you want cranberry juice, if you want garlic, if you want ginger, curcuma, if you want relaxed tea, you just choose what you want. They are all good products. Okay, so let's go for cranberry juice. And then for gold, you'll be getting 2. If I'm supposed to go to sapphire, I'll be getting 5 of these, 10 of these, 10 ginger teas. You know, they have different compartments. So you choose what you want to go for. So this is a gold package. So I'm going for cranberry. Of course, I've asked the person what the person needs. He said he needs cranberry juice. So I'm ordering cranberry juice for that person. So here you go. You click on next, and then you make your payment, right? And you enter your PIN. You have PIN. You have PIN. So you enter your PIN, and it will show success. That is how to do registration. So ensure you build your team effectively so that everybody can have enjoy the system. But if you're building your team and you want everybody to be active, please don't build 2 legs for any of your team members. Just place it left and right, left and right. Let them fill the remaining smaller spots, and together we build the business as a team. Congratulations on saying yes to Boldgains, and I want to see you at the top. Cheers.